Alright, hey Tom. Everything is, ceiling is white. Walls are agreeable gray. Just not these walls, because I'm just putting in the cabinets and there's a bunch of stuff over on that side, so those walls aren't done. But they'll do them after the cabinets are in. So Osvaldo's putting those in. And then again, with the refrigerator side, it'll hide that, I forget what it's called, the little softy thing. So, here we are, all nice agreeable gray. Hey, July. All painted. They just gotta go around and touch it up. Touch it, or cut it in, excuse me. And then just gotta paint the doors and the trim. And for the closets, they're just going to put a 1x12 up with just a pole underneath. So you're all painted. Like I said, they'll just pull all the doors off and spray them at once. Bathroom's done. It's all grouted. They just have to hang the vanities and put the toilet. I brought them wax seals so they can put that in. They just have to pull the clips out of that so it sits flush. But yeah, that bathroom, compared to what it looked like when we first came in here, it looks like a super bathroom. And then today he's going to run and grab another sheet of ply so he can put it on the steps to make them a little stiffer. Otherwise, that, as far as painting goes, like I said, just missing the one wall because they had all the cabinets in, but everything else is painted. The ceiling is painted. And then they sent one wrong door, so they're going to bring that and exchange that for two 24s. The vestibule is all painted. Like I said, all they needed to do is just go around with a putty brush and cut it in. Lights. We're almost done.